Alright, so this is a quick video on these headlight bulbs. As you can see, they're amazing. There's just the headlights. That's the fog lights. I know I always see everyone in the forums asking what bulbs, yada yada. So, these are the GTR Ultra Lightning something or other too. I'll put a link to them below. I got mine from pantherlights.com. The owner of it's a good buddy of mine. I bought them while he was doing my headlights, so I had him install them and everything, but they are plug and play. When I originally bought them, I had Diode Dynamics SL1 LED headlight bulbs for these, and I thought those were great. When I installed them, apparently I installed them upside down or whatever. They weren't installed properly, so that didn't help. But apparently, not apparently. So when he installed these, he aimed them, made sure they were installed properly, the whole 9 yards. As you can see, they're freaking bright as shit. The picture does kind of exaggerate a little bit. Like, it looks like they're super bright right in front of you. I mean, they are super bright, but they're not like that bright. I don't know, the camera exaggerates a little bit, but they're definitely bright as shit. It's bright as heck. And now we're back to people, so we're gonna wait a second. So anyways, like I said, the camera is making them look a little brighter than they are, but they are bright. Their cutoff line is amazing, as you can see right there. Whatever's above that line, there's no glare, no nothing going above that line. And here are the brights real quick. Yeah, they're amazing. Found myself barely using the brights. I don't know. I mean, these are the roads I live on, the back roads, no street lighting or anything, so I do use them often. Not often, but quite often. But really don't need them, especially that with the fog lights. Like, these are the factory fog lights. They're not necessary, but yeah, that's my recommendation. GTR Ultra, Lightning, whatever. Make sure when you install them the proper way. Make sure you aim the headlights where they're supposed to be so they're not blinding anyone's eyes because they are bright. When I get home here in a second, I'll show you guys what they look like. On the outside, they have a very, I can't remember the temperature rating, but I think it's close to 5K. So they look very good. They look like the OEM DRLs in these cars, the Dodge Chargers. They match my fog lights perfectly. I have, the lighting trends, low series light DRLs now, so I can't show you that. But when I did have did I have it for long? No, actually, I just thought about it. I never had these headlight bulbs in the DRLs. But when I had the SL1s, those match perfectly, and these are the same temperature. So, yeah, and like I said, they match my fog lights. I had the rectangular ones, but even so, that matched these perfectly, so, yeah. As far as aesthetics go, just for looks-wise, they're amazing, but then also performance, I mean, look at that. That's amazing. Yeah, my recommendation, said links below for where I got them from. Can't remember what my bulb size was. 9012 maybe, 2005, one of the two. But if you're not sure, send Panther Lights a message. They'll be able to hook you up. I think that's what I ended up doing actually. But yeah, they'll hook you up with that. And yeah, enjoy being able to see at night. So that's what they look like. A couple spots here, but pretty good. Some dark spots there, but as you notice, you can't see them on the road. But they're very white in appearance. They're on yellow. So, yeah, but I've been happy with them. I've had the bulbs now for 2 years. And like I said, oh, that's what I was starting to say. I had the Diode Dynamics anti-flicker modules when I first got them. Those didn't work with them. I don't know, I think these bulbs are too strong or something, so I ended up buying the GTR anti-flicker modules, and ever since then, they've been good. Perfectly good. I haven't had any issues with them. So, highly recommend.